In this video, we will be showing you how to properly template. You will need tape, permanent marker, and either scissors or a razor blade. First, roll out the clear mylar onto the non-skid. Trim the material to fit as needed, leaving at least 1 inch of space between the non-skid and the end of the mylar. Using tape, secure the mylar so it does not move. With a permanent marker, trace the non-skid on the mylar. You can do dotted or straight lines. Identify corners, latches, hatches, grill mounts, and related objects by tracing its location. If you make an error while tracing, simply mark it with an X or erase with alcohol and continue. You can also make notes about your template. Number the pieces of your template to match the template sheet included in your kit. Label the direction of the boat on the template with arrows in port, starboard, bow, and stern. Write your name, phone number, and boat year, make, and model on any empty space available.